Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make Jamaica's national dish, the famous Ackee and Saltfish. You know you can't claim Jamaican unless you've made this dish, right? Okay, let's get into it. Here I have some green banana, some nice yellow yam, all-purpose flour, and a can of ackee. So you're going to wash and soak the saltfish for about 2 hours or more, just to get rid of the excess salt. So I'm using the ackee in the can. Here in the US, it's not easy to get the ackee off a tree, so this will do. To a pot of boiling water, add your saltfish. Let it boil for about 20 minutes. And as I said before, you do not want the saltfish too salty because you won't be able to enjoy the meal. Okay, so let's prepare our vegetables. Here I have bell peppers, onion, garlic, tomato, and some thyme, and the famous Scotch bonnet peppers. I like my food spicy and hot, so go easy on the Scotch bonnet pepper if you're not a fan of the hot food. Real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper is not to be played with. Look how beautiful these vegetables are. This colorful vegetables is what gives the dish its vibrant appearance. So now I'm going to go ahead and break the saltfish apart. Now we're going to make our dumplings. In a pan, pour at least 2 cups of flour, depends on how big your family is and how much you're trying to feed. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt and some water to make the dough. Stir and knead your flour. Knead your dough until you get a clear and smooth texture. So I'm just gonna cover this with some saran wrap and put it aside to let it sit for a minute while I go ahead and prepare the rest of my meal. So these are what we're working with: our vegetables, our saltfish, and the ackee. I went ahead and I washed the ackee when removing it from the can. Please remember to wash your ackee when you remove it from the can. So to a pot, the saucepan, you had some oil. We're going to put the seasoning and saute it for a minute. Let it release the flavor in the oil. Now add the saltfish and stir. For about a minute after, start adding your powder seasoning. Here I'm having all-purpose seasoning, some garlic seasoning, and I went ahead some pimento seed. Please do not add too much pimento seed. Right here I did add too many pimento seeds. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now toss in your ackee. Just stir it lightly. The ackee is already pre-cooked, so we don't want to stir it too much because we don't want to leave it soggy. So for the final touch, there's a dash of black pepper and a little bit of thyme leaves. Now this came out absolutely just the way I like it. Beautiful, smells good, looks so delicious. Now to finish off the second part of the meal, add the yam to boiling water, the banana, and the dumplings. And we're going to let that sit and boil for about 20 minutes. I peel my banana skin off because I don't like it when it's in the skin. I don't know why, but that's the way my family cooked and that's how I was brought up. Now look at that yellow yam. Have you ever seen such a beautiful thing? Ready to serve, ready to eat. There you have it, guys. my ackee and saltfish with boiled dumplings and banana, and I top it off with some avocado pear, just the way we like it in Jamaica, and I'm sure everybody else enjoyed this meal. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.